We open today with breaking news from China. The People's Liberation Army Navy's newest supercarrier, Fujian, just made headlines by launching 3 different types of aircraft in a seamless sequence lasting just 8 minutes and 51 seconds. These weren't just any jets. The Fujian sent skyward the J-15T fighter, the stealth J-35, and the advanced KJ-600 airborne radar plane, each taking off and landing using electromagnetic catapults. Let's break down why this isn't just a test, but a breakthrough. The first aircraft to take flight was the J-15T fighter. Now, you might be thinking, okay, a fighter, pretty standard. But here's the twist. The J-15T is not your average jet. It's a modified version of the J-15 fighter, which itself has been a workhorse of the plan's carrier aviation force. The reason for the T in J-15T is a big clue. This jet is specifically designed to operate with catapult systems. Here's the background. Earlier J-15 models were developed for ski jump-style carriers. Think of it like a ramp at the end of the deck. These planes would literally take off by flying down this ramp at high speed. But there's a trade-off. Using ski jump runways forces limits on the aircraft's takeoff weight. The heavier the jet is with fuel or weapons, the shorter the jump distance needed, which then reduces the aircraft's endurance and operational flexibility once it's in the air. Enter the J-15T. By making specific adjustments to the airframe, the latest variant can utilize catapults. Instead of relying on gravity and a ramp, the catapult system gives the plane an initial boost. This boost can be adjusted to match the weight of the aircraft. So no matter how much fuel or weaponry it's carrying, the J-15T can take off safely and efficiently. Seeing this jet launch from Fujian shows that the catapult system can handle high-performance fighters with heavy loads, which is a key sign of a mature and versatile launch system. Then came the J-35, China's carrier-based stealth aircraft. This jet is designed with folding wings and reinforced landing gear specifically for carrier operations. It's been speculated for years that China's answer to America's F-35C is the Lightning IIIs for the plan. The significance of the J-35's catapult launch cannot be overstated. It is the first time that a stealth fighter has been launched from a carrier using an electromagnetic catapult system, period. No other nation has achieved this feat, not the United States with its F-35C on the new Ford-class carriers. The J-35 taking off from Fujian is a historic first. Why is this so important? Stealth fighters are designed for a very specific purpose. They have special coatings and contours to minimize their radar signatures. But that doesn't mean they're invincible. In fact, they're usually pretty expensive. You wouldn't want to lose one due to a botched takeoff. The electromagnetic catapult system provides that extra boost with precision control. And the J-35's success suggests that China is serious about pushing the boundaries of what's possible with carrier aviation. Finally, the KJ-600 made its public debut from Fujian. This is a fixed-wing airborne early warning aircraft. Think of it as the eyes in the sky for the carrier group. Previous Chinese carriers like Liaoning and Shandong relied on helicopters for radar surveillance. But helicopters have limited range and endurance. The KJ-600 changes that. With its advanced radar and long-range capabilities, it can detect targets far beyond the horizon, relaying critical information back to the carrier. Its presence in Fujian confirms that the new carrier can integrate an eye-in-the-sky platform similar to the U.S. Navy's E-2D Hawkeye. Let's step back and see the bigger picture. The combination of these 3 aircraft coordinated in a tight sequence is what makes Fujian's test so significant. China has effectively demonstrated the beginnings of a complete carrier aviation system, integrating strike, stealth, and surveillance capabilities into a single-deck operation. This is a level of sophistication that not many navies achieve, let alone showcase during routine tests. So what's next? While this test has shown remarkable progress, experts caution that trials under controlled conditions are not the same as sustained real-world deployments. Long missions, harsh weather, and extended cycles will be the next hurdle for Fujian and her crew to overcome. Nonetheless, this event has put the world on notice that China's leap in carrier technology is not just about building bigger ships, but about fielding a formidable force capable of operating at the cutting edge of naval aviation. And that's not something you hear every day. To dive deeper, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you there.